Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have another cute shadow box for you. I'm calling this one my Island Life Shadow Box. How much fun is this design? You have those chairs there underneath the umbrella, right on the sand, overlooking that beautiful water and the beautiful island around. Lots of greenery, lots of clouds, lots of sky and water as well. This project is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. What did you think of this shadow box? I totally think you can add so much more depth and dimension using the foam squares, and this would be perfect. This would also be perfect on a card. Maybe send it to somebody who's going on vacation, moving to Hawaii or an island somewhere. Just a really great project to make. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue or adhesive if you want to glue all the different pieces together, foam squares if you want to add dimension between those different layers, your shadow box, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. That's 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this on a card or in a different size shadow box, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. From back to front, you're going to start with the white layer, light blue. This is a dark blue or a grayish color, green, light yellow, golden yellow, orange, light brown, and then there's a darker green color. Now you can add foam squares if you wish. I would suggest adding foam squares behind the light blue, the darker charcoal color, green, and yellow, possibly behind the golden yellow, the brown, and then this darker green. Now I'm just going to layer everything together inside the shadow box, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that right now. I have already added the little pins that come with this shadow box because that's going to help push everything to the front. I will set that to the side for just a minute. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer the design. Alright, now I'll go ahead and add the backing piece and close everything up. And there is our shadow box. What did you think of this shadow box? I totally think you can add so much more depth and dimension using the foam squares. This would also be perfect on a card. Maybe send it to somebody who's going on vacation, moving to Hawaii or an island somewhere. Just a really great project to make. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.